What is going on YouTube? Old Tom, Rambler 69. First up, you can see Grant's card up there for NOCO Scale Auto. Most of you know Grant passed away a few weeks back, and just a great model builder. Really going to miss his models, and on top of that, he was just a great person in general. So always a big supporter of my channel, and I really enjoyed watching his builds, and I really hope to meet up with him one day. He was talking about getting down to the Acme show one year, so we miss you, Grant. So there we have completed build. We got the Tamiya kit done for the Mercedes AMG GT3 car. We went with a completely different livery than the box art was, and it came out real nice. Paint is a splash color, which was made for this race car, and it just laid down real super nice. We used some SK decals that made the livery for the car, and if you've never used SK decals, they're probably second to none in my opinion. I've used a lot of decals over the years, and they're just a dream to work with, and I got nothing but good things to ever say about SK decals. And they laid down super nice. Never put a gloss coat on this car. That went right over the satin finish. No silvering. Just amazing, amazing decals to work with. And we did put a satin clear over top of them, which absolutely had no issues. Being a lacquer clear, sometimes you might have a problem, but SK decals are, once again, just really good to use. And the actual race car is a satin, so we duplicated that finish. And I'll give you guys a quick look at it. Tell me what you think. And just a dream kit, really. I mean, this, it's a Tamiya kit. It's new tool in 2016, I believe it was. It came out, and what a dream. I'm going to get another kit and do a different livery because I really enjoyed this build. It's curbside, no motor, but that doesn't even bother me because all the work is in the paint and decals. And really turned out nice. Love the grill in that year Mercedes. It's just so cool. And, what can you say? It's just a great model to build. And if you want to build something different, grab you one of these kits, and there's, God, I don't know, 20 plus liveries probably SK's got put out for this that you can come up with and paint it up for a different livery than the box art was. So just really enjoyed it, and like I said, I think we'll be doing another one here in the near future. So that's all we got. I won't keep you long. We'll do a little slideshow at the end of the whole build process and some good quality pics of the model. So everybody stay safe, take care. Nice work going on in the community, and we'll catch you later. Old Tom, we're at her, guys.